Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix an annoying little problem that I've had with my girlfriend's 2006 Toyota Tacoma. Now the annoying thing with this glove box is when you open it, it has a little strut in there. So I let it drop and it starts to slow down and then it just flops. If you can look, I don't know how well you can see in there, but this is the little strut and it's actually in great shape. But this little clip right here is, do you see how it's bent in? So I'm going to show you how to make it stay a little better so that it actually does its job. So what I first did, took the glove box out, and I'm going to take a drill and a zip tie. I think you see where this is going. At first I was going to try to spread them out, and you can actually see they're still a little spread out, but the plastic is just so fatigued that it's not doing anything. So I'm going to get right here up in this corner and just drill the hole. That's it. And then we'll reinstall the glove box and put it in. Okay, after trying this a couple times, it's pretty hard to loop the zip tie around when it's all put together. So I'm just looping the zip tie now, sliding the glove box in, and then sliding the damper over that, and then tightening the zip tie. Alright, so now the glove box is back in. Slide that over. This is going to be tricky to film. Okay, so now it's snapped back into place. Gonna take my zip tie. It's snapped out of place. Okay, I'm gonna need to use both hands. Alright guys, so I lied to you. This position isn't really helping. After a little bit of using it, it actually popped out again. The zip tie was holding it, but you could hear it clunk down when it was resting on the zip tie. So what I'm gonna do is come here and drill a hole here, because the body of the, where is it? The body of this little thing, when it's clipped in, goes over the hole, so the zip tie is actually helping push it out a little bit. So we're gonna come up here, and that should fix our problem. So, same procedure. Take the drill, drill a hole, repeat. Okay, so here we are with the new zip tie position, and it seems to work a lot better. Alright guys, I hope that was useful. It's not a very big deal, and it's not a very big fix, but it's something that was annoying to me, and now the truck doesn't do it anymore, and it works as it should. So thank you guys for watching. I hope I helped you guys fix your annoying glove boxes. See you next time.